That looks pretty real, but it's not marked. I had no idea they made so many of those. I didn't know there were different types. Oh shit. Okay. We might have something here. Let's see. Damn. There's one of these NASCAR games that's worth pretty good money, but it's not this one. Can't remember which one it would be. Brand new, 20 bucks. That's crazy. I'll leave that there. Whoa. Check that out. I spied Bryce.
Found anything?
No.
Did you expect to?
Not really, no.
Did you miss me Thursday and Friday?
I did. Everybody was whining and crying. Where's the brass man? Where is he? Is he coming in?
Brass balls.
Are you sick?
Yes, very sick.
What's wrong with you? What were you doing sitting out in the rain at the flea market all weekend?
That's why we didn't stay for Saturday.
Oh, man.
It rained just a little bit on Friday.
I think we're about to open down here. Hopefully. What are you doing?
I like these cases, man. Like I said, I collect CDs to play when I'm
Yeah.
in area. Well, I go where I go camping a lot of times. You don't get a lot of good signal. So.
It's a cool poster.
So you're asking yourself about now, why are you here?
Yeah, I was just thinking, man, I could just leave right now and
And be
not care.
No more, excuse me, no more hip flaps.
No?
Got probably 40 or 50.
Okay.
Sold only one of them.
Oh, no. All right.
What?
All right, so I found this, and it looks like it does pretty well, but I'm looking for another piece to it, so see if I can find it. I can't look.
Boobies.
Damn!
Smarter than you, I'm leaving.
No,
Look at this.
you're not going anywhere. Thanks.
What do you think that is?
A pumpkin.
But what metal?
Copper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Total surprise to me.
Man, you're killing it. You're doing way better than me today. I'm kind of jealous.
You should be. I'll maybe see you tomorrow.
What's that?
The zebra.
All right, I'll just be here by myself. Stained glass Santa. Kind of cool. I mean, technically, could still be coming out. Maybe it already came out. Somebody grabbed it.
Very full.
Hey. Who's that?
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken. I like fried chicken.